Okay, so guys, I just got this new 3D printed thing. It is so awesome. Don't worry about my glasses and hat and the bow. I just wanted to look
Here it is.
Hold on, don't show them yet.
Okay, boom. This is the snake you got. $28. I mean,
it's
you could at least buy something on Amazon like that for about like $10. I mean, that's
But look how satisfying it is. Isn't that so satisfying? And my favorite part about it is to look at its face. Andrews, if you watch this, I bet you'll like it because I know you love deadly venomous animals like snakes. So yeah, Andrews, this one is exposed especially for you. I just bought it at the aquarium Boise, Idaho. Bye.